Today I made these homemade Cheeto cheesy fries at home. These came out so good and they're super quick and easy and simple to make. I got my fridge fry making contraption out. Look how uniform those are. Perfect for frying. I just fried those up, and while those were frying, I melted my nacho cheese on the stove, and then I just grinded up my Cheetos into Cheeto dust, and that's my little sister helping me out, guys. Remember, this is a once every 6 months treat, okay? You don't have this all the time. Make sure you eat your veggies. This is definitely a real treat. This is after it's all as simple and put together. It's very quick, very easy. Highly recommend.